My friends, this is the day of saying hello to our old friends at the slot machine palace known as Durango. Look at the beautiful sunlight shining. It is March Madness weekend. The sports book is crazy. People are having fun. Final Four is today, and we know Final Four is crazy in Las Vegas. Good luck if you're betting. Good luck if your team is in the Final Four. Have fun. And we are here to replicate what we did last time on Mo Mummy. Remember we got the most amazing Mo Mummy session ever? Well, we tried to replicate our magic on Baozu Zhaofu, and we're trying to do it again on here. Our first spin bonuses will be nice, starting with $5. Oh, give us our mini jackpot. Okay. Oh, two more. So the session obviously was incredible last time on Mo Mummy. Oh, okay. All three. No. One more. At 5. Okay, so we're gonna do what we did last time. Start off with $5 bets at 5 cents. Wifey is behind me. We're trying to see if the Mo Mummy magic can be replicated. Oh my god. Not those ones. Emerald, my favorite color. Greeny. Oh, went by. So we wanted to see. It does, it can. I've definitely seen it. I think I've gotten free games in that thing before too. It's really weird. I've gotten the Mummy and then 3 free games fell in too before. Where were you last time, buddy? So like I said, we're trying to replicate the magic. That was almost a first spin bonus on the new denomination, but wasn't meant to be yet. Oh my goodness, where were you last time? It can pop naturally. It didn't this time, but it definitely can. Oh, I keep seeing him up there too. He keeps peeking down. Hello, free games? Free games looks ready to go. Free games does look ready to go, so. Well, not quite ready, even though they look ready. Some wilds. Pretty good $9 there. Oh, bing, bing, boom. Good doggy. Good doggy. Do it. So last time, what did we even get? So we got the free games, right? And then we got cash collect right away. Oh my goodness. And then we won $400, $500, $600. And then we just cash out after our crazy sesh, and then we just sat for a little bit waiting for our coffee, put in 20, and then magnificence happened right away. And that was what we're trying to do. Boom, boom. So he went to come right here, right? Oh, okay, our favorite mini. I thought he went to come back and reappear here. Okay. I guess he wasn't ready to make his appearance. So we got absolutely wrecked on this game at Red Rock. But we're trying to show both sides what can happen. Maybe, oh. Hello, one more I guess. Give us our mini. Let's go to 2 cents. Sorry, whatever this is, 5 cents here. So the progressives are pretty nice up there, as you can see. Hello, Mr. Mummy. I thought this was our machine. So we're trying to figure out if coming back to your lucky quote-unquote machine is a viable pick when you go to the casino a week later. You know. So far, no good. Come on. Nope. Are you going to come back? Is that what you're doing? I keep seeing the guy, he's peeking up there. Our little friend. Someone's on tilt back there. He did it again. 450. Oh? Oh. Yeah. I said yeah. I don't, you know. We're not just using yeahs for no reason nowadays. We're using them with a purpose. My yeah didn't matter there. Yeah? Nah. Yeah? Yeah? Nah. Okay, all three of them are very, very voluptuous and very, very ready to pop. Hello now? Oh wait, just waiting. Okay, I was just waiting. Pretty good line hits here and there. Give us our mini jackpot, please. Oh, that's a lot of kitties. It's so funny when you hit like a good line hit. Okay, now give us a good bonus. Oh my goodness, that's a good one. Start it up. When we hold our breath, what would that have been? 1,005 censuses. 1,005 censuses. Would have been absolutely glorious. He keeps peeking down over there, so.
Oh, you're ideal.
Mr. Mummy, we're trying to show the world how good our friendship was. 2 more? Okay, so 5 cents. We can come back to it after we win $1,000 here. So what are we at? 150. 2 cents. One more, big one. Okay, all right. At least we got one. That's good. At least we got our favorite feature. Let's see if it gets. Let's see if it's as friendly as us. Yes, any of those M's at the top, please. Drop those progressives for us. Durango Casino, sun shining in, Saturday morning, Final Four weekend. Mo Mummy magic. Let's go. Oh. One more. So many beautiful green emeralds. Emeralds. Oh, hello now. Hello. 4 emeralds. 4, 5, 10. 2 is okay. We have 2 more spins, right? Very feasible to get 1 more right. Meow. Hello? I believe in you, Mr. Mo Mummy. I'm gonna cry, and I'm crying tears of sadness, not tears of joy. So when you get past this first one, it gives you 3 extra spins, so it's very, very good if you can get it. But 21 doll hairs, come on now. Back to back, I believe. We had some crazy, oh, where were you last spin? Okay, we can get some back-to-backs here, people, I believe. Hear you say, want it. Where were you last time? Hello? Triple. No. Should we go to $3? Do I dare? Do I dare to care? It's trying to trick us, just like, what's it called? Just like Autumn was trying to trick us. Give us a little bit of a win, but Mr. Mo Mummy, we thought you were different. We thought you were different. We thought you weren't like that. Oh, that's pretty good. Line hit right there. Just like 2 more over there would have been magnificent. Okay. Oof, I saw him up there and I felt it, but it didn't happen. Bam. I didn't say one thing. I didn't want to scare it away until. Tell me why right now, please. Tell me why. Was this a mistake? I never wanna hear you say. This song is perfect for this right now. Ain't nothing but a heartache. Ain't nothing but a mistake. I never wanna. Beautiful singing, I know. Beautiful singing, I know. Minnie. We hate you. We hate you. We hate you. We hate you. We love you. Sorry, I didn't mean that, Mr. Mummy. He's up there again too.
Did we?
So, I said we'd go back to 5 cents, and we have. 2 more. 1 is all we need, right? Oh, I guess we needed 1. 1 is all we need. Green. Bam. Banza. We hate you. Wait, dingy ding, ringy ding, ringy ding, ringy ding. Ringy ding, ringy ding. I see a lot of greens flying by now. Come on now. Huh? How does it come out to pets and then not? It's just pets and then it just walks away. Okay. Okay, yeah, we couldn't have used you the last spin, green. We couldn't have used you then, reverse psychology. Yes, yes, yes. No. Yes, 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 no. Yes, negative. Oh, so many kitties we could have got. There's 1 more in the second one. There's a lot of trickery going on here, people. A lot of trickery. So, we're here. Now we're poor, so we're betting 75 cents. Very quickly spending 75 cents. Okay. We got that out of our system. We just came back to see, you know. We were just testing the waters on our old favorite machine, our old friend. You know, right here, sun shining. We don't know why. Like that Backstreet Boys song, Tell Me Why. Ain't nothing but a heartache. Ain't nothing but a mistake. Tell me why. I never want to hear you say. Oh? Free spins is like very hit or miss too on this machine, so. Let's go to Final Frontier. 2 cents. Now? Hello? Hello? Hello, darkness, my old friends. Hello, darkness, my old friend. Okay, people, so here's what we have concluded. Never, ever come back to your quote-unquote lucky machine the next day, the next week. Always stay away, okay? Unless... no. Never, ever come back to your lucky machine. It is all fake news. Pick a new machine. Never do it. Unless, Minnie... Unless last spin magic. Never ever return back to your old lucky machine, people. We've already just determined this. It is all pain. It is all misery. It is all terribleness. He said he's sorry. Give us the mini here, $1,000. You can pop the $1,000. So that is that. We tried. We came to this machine. We had the most amazing run ever. We got many bonuses last time, and we cashed out, and then we waited for coffee, and then we put in 20, and we won like 600 on one bet, and the bonus lasted for like 9 minutes. Here, a little bit different of a story, but we still had fun. Next time we'll try $20, so maybe we'll do that. See you guys in the next one. Never come back to your lucky machine, people. It doesn't work. See you next time.